Hi everyone, my name is Gaurash. I'm pursuing my master's in software engineering from TOOS. So let's get started. So today I'm going to explain you guys about my major project. So it's about self-healing automation. So what this self-healing automation is. So in this agile world, the web applications keep on getting evolved, and then frequent updates need to be pushed to production. So in this scenario, so the web application, whenever the developer pushes some changes, then the locators are subject to change. And when locators are getting changed frequently, the automation suite fails. So the reason behind this is the automation suite majorly relies on the locators and attribute values for it to locate the elements. And when these things change, right, then the automation suite won't be able to execute properly. So it throws no element found exception. And in order to fix this, the tester needs to manually inspect that particular web application and then update that particular that updated locator, the change locator value, back to the automation test case for it to work properly. So sorry. So this is very tedious task. So in order to make it more efficient, so we have introduced something called as self-healing automation. So broadly speaking, so this particular project can be divided into three phases. That is, first one is web application, that's the application under test. Second is automation suite, and third one is the self-healing process. So let me show you the web application. So this is the web application wherein user will be able to enter the subject name as well as attendance, and on submit you'll be able to view that particular subject name and attendance getting displayed in this dashboard. So this is pretty much related to the front end of the application. So this application has been written in Python and using Flask. So to deploy this application, we have made use of Git and Heroku. And so yeah, this is pretty much related to the web application. And coming to the automation part, so we have used Python along with Selenium in order to automate this web application. So here, for the demo, we are considering a simple test case wherein the user tries to launch this application and then enter subject and attendance and click on submit so that it gets displayed on the dashboard. So this is pretty much related to the automation suite. So when let's say we have changed the locator, updated the locator value, then we get no element found exception. And then we have introduced something called as self-healing. So this particular flowchart represents what the self-healing is. So here, initially, whenever we execute a test case, we'll scrape the web page and we'll get one HTML file, and then if the test case gets executed, all good. If not, if it fails and throws no element found exception, we invoke a method where it again scripts that web application using request library. And so we have the original HTML as well as the changes HTML, and then we compare these both files. So using deflib, so on comparing we get the changed elements, like the list of changed elements, and using cosine similarity we check how closely these elements are related, the change locators are related, so that the locator with maximum highest value of match is being replaced in the automation suite. And then on saving it and executing it back, so rerunning it, we would be able to view that automate test case getting executed successfully. So let's look at the demo. I hope the flow is clear. So yeah, so here the ID, so the locator that we are using is ID for both subject as well as attendance. If you see here, if you inspect on this element, you will be able to view the subject as well as attendance for the attendance field. So yeah, let me go and execute the automation case test case. So these are all the libraries that are required. Now I'm trying to save the original HTML initial.html. So this got saved, and this is auto test. So execute. Yeah, it's got executed successfully. And then, so here we have, let's try to add a subject. Let's take signals and systems ss 97. So I'll try to add it. Now it must get added successfully because we have not made any changes to our web application. So yeah, I hope it gets, yeah, everything working as usual. So if I go here and refresh it, I'll be able to view ss. Yeah, ss got added successfully. All good. Now we make changes to the web application. For subject, let me change the subject to, let's say, simple subject 1 and I'll save it. And now I'll push this changes to the server application. Git.add these commands, commit, and I'm deploying the changes to the master branch. It's getting deployed. Yeah, it got successfully deployed. Wonderful. Now let's go back to our code. Yeah, front end. Let me just check if it has got updated properly or not. Yeah, subject to subject 1. It's got updated successfully. Now I'll come back. I'll change. Let's say this time we'll try to add field theory ft and then execute it. It must not get executed. It must throw saying that something was changed. Yeah, something was changed because the selenium was not able to locate that particular element. Let's say this is the UI, right? Selenium was not able to locate the UI because this locator of this subject was changed from subject to subject 1. So it failed to locate it and it threw no element found exception. And yeah, something has changed. Now let's invoke the auto heal module. So of the auto heal module. Now, what this auto heal module does is that in this we have implemented it in such a way that it gets the initial HTML and the change HTML and then compares it, and then whatever value of the locator is received, it matches the using cosine similarity, and then that particular thing is replaced in the test case. So let me just execute it. Auto heal ft. Yeah, this thing got added successfully. So we are able to view what is. If I click on what is, then it's subject 1, attendance 1, what was, it was subject and attendance, and even we are able to view the line number that got changed. So now let's come back to, let's go and visit the web page once. Here we view, if I refresh, I should be able to view ft97. Wonderful. So we are able to view this. So the self heal functionality is working properly. This is the cosine similarity that we have employed. So here we are able to view how closely the two words are related. Let me, for instance, if I give subject and topic, it's closely related, something like 53%. And if I give subject to subject itself, then it's 100%, like 100% matching. And if something random like subject and maybe Apple, it's 0.53. So like this, it estimates and then compares and then replaces it in the test case. So this is a quick demo of self-heal automation. So thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.